Miscellaneous exercise 36. Minus a to a means even function or odd function you have to check. You take f of x equals to x power 17 into cos power 4x. So what is f of minus x? Minus x whole power 17 into cos power 4 of minus x. Minus x whole power 7 is minus, so cos of minus x is cos x only. So minus x power 17 into cos power 4x. So this is minus f of x. F of x minus x equal to minus f of x means f is odd function. Odd function means minus 1 to 1. Odd function directly value is 0. Thirty-eight. Integral 0 to pi by 4 to tan cube x dx. Tan cube x. 0 to pi by 4 to tan x into tan square x. Tan square x you have to write secant square x minus 1 dx. So integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x secant square x dx minus 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Tan x derivative secant square x. So tan square x by 2 between the limit 0 to pi by 4 minus 2 into tan x log mod secant x between the limit same 0 to pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value 1 minus tan 0 0. 2 into log secant pi by 4 is root 2 minus log 1 0. So 1 minus 2 into 2 if you take into the logarithm root 2 whole square. So this is nothing but 1 minus log 2 AC. Integral sin inverse x dx. So integration by parts. Sin inverse x into integral 1 dx between the limit 0 to 1. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. 1 dx is x dx. So x sin inverse x between the limit 0 to 1. Minus if you say take inside and we multiply with 2. Minus 2x by root 1 minus x square dx. So 1 into sin inverse 1 pi by 2 minus 0. This is root f of x by f dash of x by root f of x. So 2 root f of x to the root 1 minus x square. Substitution method 0 to 1. So pi by 2 to do we cancel by putting 1. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1. So answer is pi by 2 minus 2. Next. Okay, Rutik. Next. Miscellaneous 28. Integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x plus cos x dx by root sin 2x Okay, to get the sin x plus cos x, you have to take sin x minus cos x equals to 3. Sin x derivative is cos x derivative is minus plus sin x dx equals to dt. Next, okay, this is dt, this is sin 2x. To get sin 2x, you have to take t square. Sin x minus cos x whole square, sin square x plus cos square x 1 minus 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So 1 minus sin 2x. So sin 2x is nothing but 1 minus t square. So sin pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6. Sin 30 1 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. So 1 minus root 3 by 2. Next, sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is dt, this is root 1 minus t. 1 by root 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. So sin inverse t between the limits minus you can take common. Root 3 minus 1 by 2, root 3 minus 1 by 2. So this is sin inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2 minus sin inverse minus root 3 minus 1 by 2. Sin inverse minus x is minus sin inverse x. You can write 2 times sin inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2 answer. Okay. To get sin x plus cos x, we have to take sin x minus cos x equal to 0. That is first term. Sin 2x tan inverse sin x. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x tan inverse sin x dx. Sin 2x you can write 0 to pi by 2, 2 sin x cos x tan inverse sin x dx. So say sin x function and sin x derivative cos x. So substitution sin x equals to t. Cos x dx equals to dt. Sin 0, 0, sin 91. So 0 to 1, 2 you can write outside. Sin x is t, tan inverse of sin x is t. Cos x dx is dt. So t sin inverse t means we will by parts. So t into tan inverse t into integration of t dt between the limits 0 to 1 minus integral 0 to 1 tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 dt is t square by 2 dt. So it is equals to 2 outside tan inverse t integration of t is t square by 2 tan inverse of t between the limit 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2 you can write outside integral 0 to 1 t square by 1 plus t square dt. T square by 1 plus t square by adding and subtracting 1 we can integrate this one easily. 2 into 1 means tan inverse 1 square by 2 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 5 by 4 0 0 minus 1 by 2 into integral 0 to 1 t square plus 1 by t square plus 1 is 1 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t square by splitting So 2 into pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 dt is t, and this is tan inverse t between the limits 0 to 1. So 2 into pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 into upper boundary 1 minus tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Lower boundary is 0. So totally 2 into pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus pi by 8. Pi by 8 plus pi by 8, pi by 4 into 2. Pi by 2 minus 1. Pi by 2 minus 1 minus 1. Correct? Okay, correct. Okay. Next, next one. No doubts in NCERT. Next objective. Thoughts? Page number 53. 55. Any doubts in arts of our problems? Any doubts in hard problems? Page number 55. No doubts. Objective homework problems. Page number 82. Homework. What's the sixth one? So x is algebra and sin x. So we have to first eliminate x property. So by using a minus x, so integral 0 to pi, this is pi minus x dx by 1 minus cos alpha constant sine 180 minus x. So first one pi into integral 0 to pi dx by 1 minus cos alpha into sine 180 minus x is sin x. And this is again I plus I 2i equals to pi into integral 0 to pi. This is 1 by a plus b sin x model. So dx by 1 minus cos alpha into sin x. So first question, for sin x you have to take tan x by 2 equals to t, tan x by 2 equals to t, secant square x by 2 dx, 1 dx by 2 equals to dt. So dx equals to 2 dt by secant square is 1 plus t square. So tan 0 0 tan 90 infinity dx 2 dt by 1 plus t square whole by 1 minus cos alpha into secant x. Secant x, sorry, sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square. Sin x means 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is nothing but 2t 1 plus t square. So pi by 2 into integral 0 to infinity. 2 will cancel. dt by 1 plus t square LCM, we will take 1 plus t square minus 2t cos alpha. So this is a perfect square. Pi into integral 0 to infinity. 1 by quadratic model, so we have to write in perfect square method. t square minus 2t cos alpha. This is 2ab term. So plus b square. Plus b square means cos square alpha plus 1 minus cos square alpha. So phi into integral 0 to infinity. First three terms you can write t minus cos alpha whole square plus 1 minus cos square alpha is sin square alpha. Sin square alpha. So 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square is so I equals to phi into 1 by x square plus a square is log mod x. So x means t minus cos alpha plus root over x square minus plus a square. T minus cos alpha whole square plus sin square alpha. Between the limits 0 to infinity. So pi into by putting t equal to 0, 0 minus cos alpha 0 cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1. Log mod 1 minus cos alpha this one. Sorry, infinity, yeah? Okay, log infinity, infinity. Minus cos alpha sin square alpha x square plus a square. While 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by n. Without root we have. Without root means 1 by a. So 1 by sin alpha into tan inverse x by a. X is 3 minus cos alpha by a is sin alpha. Between the limits 0 to infinity. So pi by sin alpha into tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. Tan inverse 0 means tan inverse minus cos alpha minus cot alpha. So pi by sin alpha into pi by 2 minus minus plus tan inverse cot alpha is pi by 2 minus alpha. So pi by sin alpha into pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi minus alpha. Understand? First x we have to remove, elimination of x property by a minus x property, so that we have to integrate this one 1 by 1 minus cos alpha into sin x. So this is nothing but a plus b sin x model. Cos alpha is constant. With respect to x we are doing integration means cos alpha is constant. So 1 by a plus b sin x model is tan x by 2 equals to t. So substitute this, we will get 1 by quadratic model. 1 by quadratic means we have to write perfect square. So a cos square alpha minus cos square alpha we have to add. So 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Between the limits infinity. So infinity minus cos alpha by sin alpha is infinity only. So pi by 2 first one. Second minus 0. Minus cos alpha by sin alpha is minus cot alpha. Tan inverse minus x is minus cot inverse. Minus tan inverse x. So minus if you take outside plus. Tan inverse cot alpha. Tan inverse cot alpha you can write cot alpha you can write tan 90 minus alpha. So tan inverse cancel pi by 2 minus alpha. So this is pi by 2 minus alpha. So answer is pi into pi minus alpha by sin alpha. Okay. Next one also is the first elimination of x. Next adding by again you have to apply a minus x property. You have to add on both first one and second one. You will get easy one. Okay, clear? Next, any doubts in heart, sir? The 11th one, Hart's problem. F of x is integral 1 to x log t by 1 plus t dt. So f of x plus f of 1 by x we have to find. So first I am finding f of 1 by x. So f of 1 by x is 1 to 1 by x log t dt by 1 plus t same. For this I am taking substitution x equals to 1 by t, dx equals to minus 1 by t square dt. So 1 by 1 is 1 by 1 by x is x. Log of t is, sorry, tx equals to t equals to 1 by x. So the function is 1. Sorry. Another variable you take less than 1 minute. Okay. Next I will